Hello, welcome back everyone to my channel. Today I traded in Britannia. As you can see, this was the trade. I shorted Britannia and the SL was hit here. So what was my analysis? You can see Britannia was in this respecting this trend line, and also it was near this resistance of this trend line. This is the resistance. Also this purple area is also one resistance area. And as you can see here, Britannia was making a M pattern. So I thought if it crosses this M pattern, it will go bearish. So it did cross this trend line here, and after that I thought I'll wait for this, this area to be crossed, because this is the exact previous low. So it could happen that it will make a triangle pattern and it will go up. So what I thought, I'll wait for this particular area to be crossed. But what happened? I kept my limit order here because exact at this low, because you see this trend line was crossed by this candle. Also this triangle pattern, if you see, this is the triangle pattern is crossed by this candle. Again, these were the two breakdowns. So I thought if it breaks this area also, it will not wait for a retest and then it will go down. So I thought this is the exact area I want to trade. So I kept my limit order here, and you can see this small hammer candle triggered my limit order. And as you can see, it did not go in my favor at all. It went to my SL immediately, like in 5-10 minutes. So what was the mistake? First I'll tell my mistake. I think my mistake was I should have waited for a breakdown, like wait for any candle to close below this area. As you can see, it made a channel pattern here, because it was possible that it will make a channel pattern and again it will go and cross this happen cross this channel pattern. So one mistake is not waiting for a breakdown properly. We should have waited for candle to be closed. So this is the only mistake I can see, because I think this even though this Britannia was in a one direction, like in a uptrend from here, like it is an uptrend, you can see it is an uptrend, but I think this is the resistance area, and Britannia could not cross this area in a one way. It should retrace and then it will go up. So what I think, I would have not traded this breakout also, because see, even if we would have, this is the breakout candle, right? If we would have traded this breakout, obviously will not keep our stop loss here previous low, and this 200 MA also. So it was not able to give us 1:1 also. We at least need 1:1.5 or 2 for intraday trading. So this long trade is not good idea in this stock, because it is near the resistance area. So we could have traded this breakdown, because you see clearly it broke this lows with this candle. Also 50 MA is crossed. Also this is the resistance area. This purple area is the resistance area on a higher time frame. So we could have shorted this trend line. We again be above previous high, right? We could not, we do not need to keep big SL, because if it crosses high this high, it is going to go bullish. So we do not want to give more SL. We can give a tight SL. Obviously these things we can say after market closing, but still we can keep a little distance, because obviously if this high gets crossed, it is no need for to be in the short trade. So again we need 1:2. Let's see if it is achieved. Yeah, exactly 1:2 was achieved, and this could have been a good trade. Again gave a breakdown, and this was a one pattern. Resistance area 50 MA was broken. So this could have been a good trade, not a long trade. Would have been a wrong decision. Again this was the wrong decision, just because this uh, low was not crossed properly. It could have been a uh, profitable trade if Nifty would have supported, because you see Nifty did not move. It was it is in sideways. There is not at all a move. So it was possible that it is in a sideways trend here. Okay. So that's it. That was my trade for today. And thank you so much for watching my video.